Hi, my name is Candice and I'm part of the customer success team here at ClientWindow. Today we'll be going over the reception tab. Any chat messages sent from external contacts that are not set up on ClientWindow will be delivered to the reception. This may be from a WhatsApp add-in on the customer's website, a QR code that when scanned initiates a chat conversation, or through direct contact with the chat app account. Team members with the reception role applied to their user accounts can see and respond to those inquiries. We have some quick options here that if you want to mark all chats as read, you select this button. And then you can archive multiple chats. So if you select multiple chats to archive, you can archive them all at once. We have our action buttons here, so we can mark as unread. So change the status of any chat group back to unread. This may be used to help task management and prioritization. You can assign the group chat. So if a prospect converts into a client, the original inquiry made over a chat messaging app can be moved from reception area to a permanent client space container where future conversations with the client can be managed. You can manage the group chat name, so you could change it. Currently it says WhatsApp David. You can change that to something else if you wish. You can manage the sender, so you can edit the first and last names of the sender. You can archive this group chat, so you can mark the conversation as archived. No data will be deleted. Those chats archived from reception can be found under the reception archive tab over here. Email sender. So if you wish to email the sender and send that as WhatsApp, you can copy this email address and send it by email, and that means that the person is going to receive it as a WhatsApp. They won't know any difference whether you've emailed or sent a WhatsApp. It's going to come through as a WhatsApp either way. I hope this has helped. Please visit our websites at clientwindow.com.